Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the most effective herbal shampoo powder. There are a lot of herbal shampoos available in the market, but no matter how natural the shampoo is, but it does have some chemicals. And if you're that person who is looking for natural and effective shampoo, then this is the best for you. This shampoo powder removes dandruff, dirt, greasiness from the scalp and makes the hair roots strong, and also makes your hair long, thick, smooth and shiny. So let's see the recipe. For this you will need soap nuts powder, shikakai powder, amla, which is Indian gooseberry powder, and fenugreek powder. Take 100 grams of soap nuts powder. Soap nuts has antifungal, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. And it is so good for hair fall. It prevents dandruff, treats scalp infections and it helps to get rid of split ends. And it is so good for headaches. And if you're suffering from migraines frequently, then you should try soap nuts as a shampoo. And it also treats one-side headache. And now take 100 grams of shikakai powder. Shikaka is antifungal, antibacterial and it maintains optimum pH level of the scalp and makes your hair smooth and shiny. It can cure dandruff, prevents dry scalp, grey hair and acts as a soothing hair pack. And now take 50 grams of amla powder. Amla is rich in vitamin C, antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. And it strengthens and helps to grow hair, cleanses the scalp and acts as a natural hair conditioner. And now take 25 grams of fenugreek powder. Fenugreek has anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties and it makes your hair smooth and shiny and removes dandruff. Okay, take them all into a bowl and mix them well. And then store it in an airtight glass jar. Once you make this powder and store this, it can last you up to a month. Put this jar in your bathroom cabinet and whenever you wash your hair, take 4 to 5 tablespoons of this powder, or you can take as much as you want into a bowl. And add some water and make it like a paste or liquid. Apply this to the scalp and the rest of your hair. Once you apply it, then gently massage the scalp. You can use some water to get full. Just splash some water and gently massage the scalp and the rest of your hair. And yes, if this shampoo gets into your eyes, it may make you feel burning sensation in the eyes, but don't worry, just splash some water and wash your eyes. If the redness occurs, then it will go in an hour. Okay, once you're done massaging, then rinse it off thoroughly. You will definitely see the results in one wash, and if you use this shampoo regularly, then all your hair problems will be gone. Just try it and see the best results. And yes, there are no side effects of it, but if you see any side effects, then stop using it. I hope this video has been helpful for you, and if you want any more information about this, then please check the description box below. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.